Good day everyone, and welcome to my first ever tutorial. Today, I will be showing you how to solve on Microsoft Excel using these 10 basic formulas available also on Microsoft Excel. So, I have this table here, and it shows the sales of a cafe restaurant for its morning shift. So this will be our basis on solving different kinds of Excel formulas. So first, we have the formula SUM. So to solve this formula, let's say we wanted to solve for the total sales on this table. So first, let's type equal, follow with the formula sum, open parentheses, then we will highlight this column all the way down. So there you have it. Its total sum is 5,630. So next, we have the formula SUMIF. Let's say we wanted to find out the total quantity sold for coffee. So let's type equals, follow with the formula SUMIF, open parentheses, then we will highlight the first column from the menu item. And since we were only looking for the quantity sold for coffee, let's type double quote, then the word coffee on capital letter, close with a double quote again, then we will highlight this column since we're looking for the quantities sold for coffee. Close with a parenthesis and press enter. As you can see, it has the result of 50 because in the table, the total quantity sold for coffee is only 50. Next on the list, we have SUMIFS. It's a SUMIF but with an S. So this time, we want to know the total quantity sold for the morning shift. So let's type equals, followed by SUMIF, open parentheses, highlight this column, since we're looking for the total quantity sold, we will highlight this column as well. Then we will type morning on double quote, close with a parenthesis, and press enter. So as you can see, the total quantity sold for the morning shift is 203 quantities sold on that day. Next, we have the formula count. So on the table, let's say we need to count all date sales entries. So let's type equals, followed by count, parentheses, then let's highlight this column all the way down. Then we will close it with a parenthesis, then press enter. As you can see, it counts 10 because there are 10 sales entries on our table. We also have count A. On the table, we need to find or determine the number of unique items, so we want to count all from our menu items. Let's type equal, followed by count A. Then, let's highlight this column all the way down. Let's close it with the parentheses and hit enter. So there you have it. It counts also 10 since there are 10 unique items or 10 menu items on our table. Next, we have COUNTIF. We use this formula to count specific row or columns on our data or on our table. So to solve, let's say we wanted to know how many number of cells for the T. Let's begin with an equal, type COUNTIF, parentheses, then let's highlight this column which is our menu items since we're looking for the number of sales for T. Followed with the word T on a double quote, close parentheses, then press enter. As you can see, it only counts 1 because there's only one sale for T in the menu listed on the table. Next, we have the formula if. So to solve for this formula, let's say we wanted to know the sales rating according to the menu item, if it's high sales or low sales. So first type equals, followed by if, then type parentheses, type formula sum, and highlight all total sales. But we have a value threshold which we need to reach, which is 5,000. So we must type a greater than symbol, then type 5,000. Then we will add the word high sales and low sales on a double quote. Close with a parenthesis and press enter. So as you can see, it says high sales because the total sales reached the value threshold, which is 5,000. We also have average. Let's say we want to know the average unit price on our table. So let's begin with an equal, followed by the word average, a parenthesis, then let's highlight the column of the unit price all the way down. Close parenthesis, then press enter. As you can see, it shows 30 pesos because when you look on the unit price of every item, the highest price is 50, then we have 15 pesos as the lowest price. So it estimated the average unit price on the table, which is 30 pesos. Last, we have formula VLOOKUP. For VLOOKUP, it helps us find specific answer in a row or cell. With a formula, so let's find the unit price for salad. Let's start with an equal, followed by VLOOKUP, parentheses, then let's double quote the word salad. Then we will highlight 3 columns on the table from the menu item to the unit price. Let's type 3 since we highlight 3 columns on the table, and we will quote the word false on a capital letter. Close parentheses and press enter. Then, as you can see, 50 pesos since the unit price of salad on the table is also 50 pesos. So there you have it, everyone. I've shown you 10 simple and basic formulas in Microsoft Excel, which can also be used in different summations, analysis, and even counting your tax. Thank you and good day, everyone. See you on my next Microsoft Excel tutorial. Bye.